Good morning to all. I welcome you to the ninth session of tenses. So in this session, I want to explain you the second part of the second tense that is called what is the present continuous tense. I explained the definition and some of the examples. In this session, I want to explain the hints of present continuous. We have hints in some present continuous, that is at present, now, look, see, watch, observe, don't disturb, keep quiet, listen. At present, now all these same meaning. What is the first one? Look, see, watch, observe, don't disturb, keep quiet, listen. So these are the hints of present continuous tense. When there is a one of these words in the sentence, that sentence is in present continuous tense. No doubt at all. No doubt at all. Is it clear? Come to the examples now. Here, look. See, look. Look, they dash play football. Look, they dash play football. So, it is look is the one of the hint. Look is the one of the hint of present continuous tense. So, no doubt it is a present continuous tense. After knowing it is a present continuous tense, you should remember and recall what is the structure of present continuous. So what is the structure of present continuous? Subject plus is, am, are, before plus object. This is the structure of present continuous. Subject plus is, am, are plus before plus object. Or you can say is, am, are plus before. That's enough. Because subject object is common for every structure. Okay. And after knowing the structure, you should recollect the be forms uses. Here, is used for third person singulars, am is used for first person singular, and are is used for remaining all. Are is used for what is that? Remaining all. Is used for third person singulars, am is used for first person singular only I, are is used for remaining all. Remaining all means what? Except third person singular, except first person singular. Except third person singular and first person singular, we can use are for all plurals. Come to the example now. You have to fill it. Before going to fill blank, you should make a two questions to our subject. You should make what is the two questions to our the subject. So first question is what? Which person it is? What is the person? No doubt it is the third person. Singular or plural? They, it's a plural. So third person plural. So third person plural. Structure, you know that subject plus is, am, are plus before. And what is the right be form to use? Are is the right be form to use. They are. And the verb before nothing but V1 plus inform. So answer is playing. What is that? They are playing football. Look, they are playing. Look, they are playing football. So present continuous means going on action and present, or going on action and in front of our eyes. Look, they are playing. They are playing. The play is going on. Play is going on. Okay. Next one. Don't disturb me. I dash do my work. Don't disturb me. I dash do my work. Here, don't disturb me. It is the one of the hint. Here, don't disturb is there. So don't disturb me. I dash do my work. Here, don't disturb me. One of the hints of present continuous. So it is a present continuous. After knowing the structure, or after knowing the tense, you should recall the structure and the be forms also. Structure is that, and now make a question to our subject. I is the subject. Okay. What is the I? Which person it is? It is the first person. Singular or plural? Singular. So when there is a I, you should use what is that? Am. And V for nothing but V1 plus inform. Here, don't disturb me, I am doing my work. Don't disturb me what? I am doing my work. Okay? That's and next one, Ravindra dash watch TV now. Here, what is the hint? Now is the hint. Now is the hint. So, Ravindra, it is a present continuous. Make a question to our subject, Ravindra. What is a person? In place of the subject, there is no I, there is no we, there is no you, so it is called the third person. Ravindra singular, so it is a third person singular. So what is the is the right one. So in form watching. Ravindra is watching TV now. Ravindra is watching a TV now. In this way, you have to fill the blanks which are in a present continuous, and there is a note in present continuous. There is a note in present continuous. It is very important. Listen carefully. So note is some verbs are never used in a continuous tense. Any continuous tense. Present continuous or past continuous or what is that? Future continuous, present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. Okay. So those are the verbs. These verbs are called sensual verbs. Sensual verbs. Here the verbs are love and taste, remember, forget, hate, like, prefer, want, wish, feel, see, hear, seen, smell, sound, deny, agree, promise, know, imagine, recognize, Is it clear? So these verbs do not have in form, nothing but it has in form but never used in place of the verb. It can be used as a non-finite verbs, not in finite verbs. So these verbs do not have continuous forms. Is never used in present continuous tense, present continuous or past continuous or future continuous. Okay, if you want to use these verbs, we have to use in simple present tense or simple past or simple future. Never used in continuous tenses. Is it clear now? So we should use present. We should never use present continuous, but we can use it in a simple present tense like I am loving my country. It's a wrong. We never say I am loving my country. Okay, because it's going on action. It's a universal one. So it doesn't have. It's a feeling. We have same kind of feeling every day, every time and every day. Okay, so that these verbs never used in a continuous tense. We never say I am loving my country. I love my country. That's enough. And another one, I am smelling it. Sorry, he is smelling it. We never say he is smelling it. They smell it. Sorry, he smells it. He smells it. That's enough. He smells it. I love my country, and he smells it. Is it clear now? So these verbs we never use. These verbs are never used in continuous tense, but they can use in what is that? Simple tenses, nothing infinite tenses. What is that? Finite tense. Sorry, indefinite tenses. Nothing but simple present tense or simple past and simple future. Is it clear now? This is all about what is that tense present continuous. We will meet in the next session. Thank you very much.